Bilang bahagi at pakikiisa ng pagdiriwang ng World Patient Safety Day, pinailawan ng kulay kahel ang gusali ng mga pagamutan sa lungsod ng Quezon. Kabilang dyan ang De Los Santos Medical Center kung saan naglunsad din sila ng isang proyekto na layong makatulong sa mga pasyente. Sir Lobringas sa balita.
Bilang pakikisa sa World Patient Safety Day, inilunsad ng De Los Santos Medical Center pagpapailaw sa kanilang fasad ng kulay orange. May temang naging pagdiriwang ngayong taon na World Patient Safety Day na kung saan lain itong ma-recognize ang solidarity ng mga healthcare facilities sa buong mundo maging ang importansya ng safety in healthcare. Ang De Los Santos Medical Center bilang pakikiisa sa nasabing taunang pagdiriwang, inilunsad nila ang inisyatibong 24/7 on-call service. Ang nasabing serbisyo o inisyatibo ay layong makadagdag umano sa pag-assist at pag-alalay sa mga pasyente anumang uri ang concern nito.
Again, this is in support to the advocacy of the hospital to really establish and strengthen our engagement with the patients. It's very important that we also include and engage the patient's family, the relatives, in really advocating and practicing patient safety. And at the end of the day, that's what we want for De Los Santos Medical Center, that is make De Los Santos really a safe space for everyone who are entrusted into our care. We would want our patients to really be educated and be aware of the services that we offer and ensuring that we are really taking care of them.
Dumalo sa ginawang launching at ceremonial orange lighting sa fasad ay si Dr. Aleli Ani Sudjakal, ang Regional Director ng Department of Health, Metro Manila Center for Health Development. Ayon kay Dr. Sudjakal, napakahalaga ang ganitong ginagawa ng mga pagamutan sa ating bansa o healthcare facilities. Lubhang napakahalaga kasi umano ang kaligtasan maging ang kapakanan ng mga pasyente at ang role ng isang caregiver.
Patient safety is a fundamental element of healthcare and is regarded as an essential component in achieving desired health outcomes. The provision of safe and quality health service that is responsive to the people's needs is a vital pillar in attaining universal healthcare. Patient safety begins with effective communication.
Samantala, nagpahayag naman ang DLSMC na patuloy ang pagbuo pa nila ng mga kaparehong programa na siyang makakatulong at pakikinabangan ng mga pasyente.
There will be a lot of exciting services that we will be launching because again we would like to be known as a one-stop shop facility. So apart from the current that we are offering currently, we are complete in terms of all the different departments and clinical divisions, but we would also like to have vast services which we will be launching in the next years to come.
Earl Lobringas para sa Matanag Agila, matata, matapa, matapa.